Hello everyone, it's Catherine. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited to share with you a Hobby Lobby haul that I did yesterday. And most of the stuff is on clearance that I picked up. So I got these little charms. They were originally $4.99 and I got them for $1.24. And then these weren't on sale or anything. It's just some wire that I got. Some bead wire, 26 gauge for $2.49. And then I got a strand of these beads that was originally $2.99 and I got them for 74 cents. And then this wasn't on, well, okay, so this was 50% off and this was $4.99, but I thought for all of these beads, so that would make it $2.50 really, that was a pretty good deal for it to be half off. And I thought that these were really pretty. Then I got this one, which was $2.49 originally, and then I got it for 62 cents. And the same with this one. They had other colors, but I didn't really care for them. Then I got this really pretty one, and what I plan to do with this is make it for like a dangle charm. So I'll probably take this like necklace looking piece off of it and then attach it with some sort of jump ring or something right there. I hope that was in frame. Then I got these beading needles. That wasn't on sale. This was on clearance from the paper craft section. Sorry, I'm kind of jumping all over the place. This was $4.99 and I got this for $1.24. Then this is the other paper craft thing. These push pins, because they're coffee and I need coffee every day to function. Who else needs coffee every day to function? Comment down below if you need coffee every single day. These were originally $5.99. Can't believe that price. That's $1 a pin. Anyways, got that for $1.49. Then I got this little kit right here, and this was 50% off on sale. So this was $6.99, 50% off, $3.50. And then I used my 40% coupon on these little cutter things right here because I need them for my dies. The cutter that I have is too thick, so I don't know if you guys can see. This is real thin to get in between those little AliExpress dies that we order and you have to cut apart. I feel like my cutter is just too big and bulky, so I need this thin one to get in there. I hope that works better. And then these containers, I like them because you can open up each individual compartment and then you can like turn them upside down if you wanted to. They remind me of the pill organizers for people that have a lot of pills to take. So you can turn it upside down and only have one of them open at a time. And then you can also lock it to some kind of way. It tells you right here. So I got two of those. These weren't on sale, but they were $3.99. But I feel like storage like this is important storage to me. Like, I'd hate wasting my time digging in there trying to get little itty bits and pieces out. So I'd much rather pay for a little bit more expensive storage now and be able to turn it upside down if I want to, shake it all about, and be frustration free later down the road. So I hope you guys liked it. Give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel. It really helps me out, you guys. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.